Hello and welcome back to another iNick video. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys a faster way to get your messages through. So, recently you might have felt like you've been on your phone all day sending messages, and if you're on your phone or an iPad, your fingers maybe are clicking the wrong keys. So, I have found a faster way for you guys. So, I'm going to be doing this in Notes, but you can do it on email, Apple's Mail app. You can do it on Messages, anywhere that you need a keyboard. Okay, so here we have the example. I'm using Notes. So normally you would type, for example, hi, how are you? And there you have it. You have that quick little sentence. But let's say maybe you're in a grocery store, or if you just want to get your ideas out because you can think of them but you can't type them, I found a faster way. So on the keyboard right here, you see a little microphone. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to press that microphone, and your microphone for your device will be on. Once it is on, you say what you want to say, so what you want the text to say, and it'll spell it out for you. So for example, let's use the phrase, hi, how are you? So you're going to press this microphone. Hi, how are you? And there you have it, that sentence right there. And you might be thinking, well, that's just a simple sentence. Can it go any longer? It can go longer. So, let's say, please subscribe to iNick because he is very helpful. Let's try that out. Please subscribe to my YouTube because he is very helpful. And I like him a lot. Leave a like and subscribe. So there you have it. Ooh. Yeah, so before I continue, there's your sentence, but make sure that once you speak out your sentence, you press this little keyboard icon right there. And I know it's picking up my voice, but when you press the keyboard icon, it'll bring you back to keyboard. Okay? So, that is very handy. Once again, just a little scenarios that you can use this in. If you're in a grocery store, or if you are somewhere where you can't type, but you can use your voice. Once again, press the little microphone and say what you want to say. Then press the keyboard when you're done. And there you have it. That's how you do it. So just a quick little easy tip for you guys. I thought I'd get this out. If you have not been on my social media recently, or if you have not seen my YouTube page recently, there we have it. The new iNick logo. So leave in the comments what you guys think. Hope you have a good day. Leave a like and subscribe.